Curtis Grevenens.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Powerful wind across the state, creating destruction across Montana, and it's a pretty big state. Let's take a look at some of the peak wind gusts that we've seen around the Helena area. At the airport, 81. The airport is no longer reporting, maybe because of some instrument damage out there. Sebin, almost 80 miles per hour. Winston, on Highway 12 East, 75 miles per hour. Up at Birdseye, 75. McDonald Pass, 72. Townsend, about 66. Around the Rocky Mountain front, Great Falls area, 101 mile per hour gust just south of East Glacier. Browning over 90 miles per hour. Cup Bank, 84 miles per hour. The worst of the wind, I'm thinking, is over here, but boy, we still have another few hours of some very strong wind. I told you the Helena Airport no longer reporting. Great Falls, how about the temperature too? It's 36 degrees. Great Falls, we had a couple hours ago gusts to 70 miles per hour, now gusting to 38. It's cold. We started out this morning in the 50s. We're falling into the 20s and the 30s, and there's the sustained winds. Most of the state, we had sustained wind 40 to 60 miles an hour. Gusts are always worse. We're still looking at some gusts upwards of 70 miles per hour in Havre and Lewistown, down around the Billings area. Jordan, more of the same right there. So as we go through the next few hours, look at that up around Cup Bank over to about Havre. The wind starts to die down. But through the overnight, Lewistown, Glasgow, eastern Montana, terrible wind with some snow. Now by tomorrow morning, there will be much calmer conditions. However, the wind picks back up as we go through Thursday night into Friday. Friday will be a windy day, but not as bad as today. Again, most of the state still under a high wind warning till midnight. Some places out in the eastern part of the state all the way into the morning hours. A blizzard warning, Glasgow to Glendive, just north of Malta. Blizzard isn't so much about the quantity of snow, it's about the visibility. And we've got sideways snow in wind gusting as high as 80 miles an hour. Winter storm warning continues through this evening. Rocky Mountain fronts, the high woods, the little belts under a winter weather advisory through this evening, and also Havre to Malta to Jordan, just outside of the blizzard warning, we've got a winter weather advisory. Lightning strikes. We had thunderstorms earlier today. Helena, some snow in the mountains, may get a few flakes here in town. Great Falls looking okay, but boy, up there around Fort Benton, that was a squall that came through before, indicated by the heavy dark blue right there. That's the heavy snow. Parts of Choteau County getting hit pretty hard here. Lewistown, we've got some snow coming down. The radar is glitchy because everything was glitchy today, from cell phones to the internet. There's some heavy snow with the wind moving through the northeast part of the state. So still a couple of heavy snow showers up over the Continental Divide around Fergus County and northeast Montana. That's where we've got that blizzard warning through tonight into tomorrow morning. No real rest for the weary as another storm moves in as we go into later tomorrow. A little more snow in the western mountains here as we go through the afternoon and the evening, but warmer air will once again move in, so we'll have a little mix of rain and snow in the lower elevations with some heavy snow up on the Rocky Mountain front, a little snow and ice in the northeast part of the state, and then a cold front will work its way southward through the state as we go through Friday, and that could produce a little snow. A little snow tonight, tomorrow morning, northeast Montana, and then some snow tomorrow night into Friday morning in the western mountains. Here's the forecast for tonight. Wind slowly dying down. It will be cold out there. Some people will not have power here tonight. Some Arctic air moving into northeast Montana, not quite central and the western part of the state here, thankfully. Tomorrow, cold eastern Montana, clouds increasing. We'll have a little mix of rain and snow in the higher elevations through Thursday evening. Friday, a cold front works its way southward through Montana here, and could have some snow, wet snow around the Helena area through about the midday. Bozeman, people heading down to Bozeman Friday night, there could be some snow. Some snow will be moving out as we head into Saturday. Should be pretty good for Cat's Grizz down in Bozeman. And Sunday, it's mostly cloudy and seasonably cold. A few more hours of this wind in Helena. The weekend looks a little nicer. And hey, Christmas Eve next Wednesday, we may have a little snow Christmas Eve night into Christmas Day. Great Falls, a few more hours of this terrible wind.